Mathematicians, today I want to talk to you more about subtraction. And then when we say goodbye, I have some worksheets that are in our Google Classroom that you can do to practice more subtraction. So one of them is like little stories, and you figure them out like we practice often together. Another one is just looking at subtraction equations and seeing if you can understand what they say. And then the third one is maybe you could tell your own subtraction story to somebody at your house. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to just review when you see something like this. We haven't talked about that a lot. So it's good to like be a math detective and think, what is happening here? Some of you are probably asking yourself that because we haven't done this much. Well, what does this mean? Start there. Are we getting more or are we losing some? Yeah, I see a minus symbol. Minus, that means losing some. So think of it as like a sentence that you read. I had 8 of something and I lost 3. How many are left? What's the difference? When you do subtraction, the answer over here is called the difference, not the total, like in addition. Okay, so I always draw a picture to help me. So I would start by drawing 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because remember what I just read in this sentence? I had 8 of something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I lost 3. So now I'll cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I know what the difference is. All I have to do is count these and write the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The difference is 5. Now let's practice reading that together. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, let's practice another one of those since you're going to be doing it a lot by yourself. Okay, so first thing you do, read the sentence and figure out what it's asking you. I had 9. Did you get more or lose some? You lost some. How many did you lose? 1. You had 9 of something and you lost 1. What's the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now can you help me double check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did I lose? Right, 1. And now let's count the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Read this sentence with me. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Great. So if you don't have a printer at home, you could write your own problems kind of like I just did. I would say do numbers that are smaller than 10 for most of you because we're just learning about subtraction. And now I also just want to do one subtraction story problem with you like we practice all the time. I had 7 fish. I had 7 fish. Double check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 fish swam away. I started with 7, and then 6 fish swam away. So how many will I cross out? I crossed out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I started with 7, and then I crossed out 6 to show that they swam away, and I see that there's 1 left. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line here because that's how I broke my group up. Like I said, I like to draw pictures during math to help me understand. Okay, so my number bond, I'm just drawing my circles and then I'll hold it back up. Look, how many are all together in this group? There's 7. And there's 6 in this group. They swam away. There's 1 left. So it shows 7 got broke into those 2 groups. And now to do my equation, I have to say I had 7 of something. I lost 6. And I was left with 1. 7 minus 6 equals 1, or 7 take away 6 equals 1. Okay, the last thing I want to tell you before you go practice subtraction is about our calendar. Today's Thursday, but we don't have school tomorrow. So you'll notice that on your calendar, tomorrow and Monday are already filled in. No school. 4-day weekend. Today is number 167. I cannot believe how close we're getting to number 180 when kindergarten will have its last day. And it's a sunny day. It's a yellow day. It is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. All right, so make sure that you get all of your math things done and have a great day.